According to official language data, only 5% of English learners worldwide will ever reach the C2 level. Are you one of them? Let's find out. I'm going to ask you 20 fill-in-the-blank questions. For each one, your job is to pick the word that makes the most sense in context. But be prepared, because even though we'll start at the intermediate level, the questions are going to get tougher as we go along. Ready to get started? Here's question 1. The weather forecast says it's going to rain, so it's blank to bring an umbrella. Is it optional, advisable, desperate, or profitable? Advisable. Advisable means that something is wise or sensible. The weather forecast says it's going to rain, so it's advisable to bring an umbrella. Question 2. The teacher had to blank the lesson because the fire alarm went off. Is it interrupt, prepone, inspect, or inherit? Interrupt. To interrupt means to stop something from happening for a short time. The teacher had to interrupt the lesson because the fire alarm went off. Speaking of interrupting, I'm going to interrupt this test really quick just to let you know about the best app for learning English. It's called Airlearn, and I've linked it in the description for you. Go check it out. All right, question number 3. After weeks of practice, Sarah showed blank improvement in her public speaking skills. Is it irrelevant, noticeable, internal, or artificial? Noticeable. Noticeable means easily seen or clear. After weeks of practice, Sarah showed noticeable improvement in her public speaking skills. Question number 4. The new law will blank how small businesses pay their taxes next year. Is it affect, effect, afford, or expand? Affect. To affect with an A means to influence or make a difference in something. The new law will affect how small businesses pay their taxes next year. Question 5. He didn't want to go to the party, so he made up a weak blank about being too tired. Is it exception, excuse, proposal, or exchange? Excuse. An excuse is a reason given to justify a fault or to avoid doing something. He didn't want to go to the party, so he made up a weak excuse about being too tired. Question 6. The instructions for assembling the bookshelf were incredibly blank, so I finished it in 10 minutes. Is it complex, vague, straightforward, or chaotic? Straightforward. If something is straightforward, it's easy to do or understand. The instructions for assembling the bookshelf were incredibly straightforward, so I finished it in 10 minutes. Question 7. The company decided to blank new technology to speed up their shipping process. Is it adopt, adapt, implore, or enhance? Adopt. To adopt means to legally take up or start using something new. The company decided to adopt new technology to speed up their shipping process. All right, that's it for intermediate level questions. Are you still with me? Leave a comment below and let me know how many you've got right out of the first 7 questions so far. Now we'll increase the difficulty. Make sure to complete this next section because at the end of this video, we'll find out if you know C2 vocabulary. Question 8. The CEO gave a blank answer to the journalist's question, completely avoiding the real issue. Is it profound, evasive, explicit, or candid? Evasive. An evasive answer is one that tries to avoid or escape the truth. The CEO gave an evasive answer to the journalist's question, completely avoiding the real issue. Question 9. Working 2 jobs while going to university requires a blank amount of time management. Is it substantial, trivial, basic, or superficial? Substantial. Substantial means to be of large size, value, or importance. Working 2 jobs while going to university requires a substantial amount of time management. Question 10. Instead of arguing, the diplomat tried to blank the angry crowd by listening to their complaints. Is it placate, provoke, aggravate, or neglect? Placate. To placate someone means to make them less angry or hostile. Instead of arguing, the diplomat tried to placate the angry crowd by listening to their complaints. Question 11. The ancient castle ruins were still blank after hundreds of years of harsh winters. Is it obsolete, intact, fragile, or scattered? Intact. If something is intact, it is not damaged and remains complete. The ancient castle ruins were still intact after hundreds of years of harsh winters. Question 12. Her speech was so blank that the audience stood up and cheered for 5 minutes. Is it mundane, eloquent, tedious, or coherent? Eloquent. Someone who is eloquent is fluent, powerful, and expressive in their speech. Her speech was so eloquent that the audience stood up and cheered for 5 minutes. Question 13. The team's success was blank on everyone working together toward the same goal. Is it contingent, deliberate, autonomous, or variable? Contingent. If something is contingent on something else, it means it depends on it to happen. The team's success was contingent on everyone working together toward the same goal. Question 14. The sound of the traffic outside was a blank distraction while I was trying to study. Is it expansive, perpetual, sudden, or consequential? Perpetual. If something's perpetual, that means it's never ending or continuous. The sound of the traffic outside was a perpetual distraction while I was trying to study. Alright, great work so far. You've made it through the second round, but don't check out now because round 3 is C2 expert territory. Try your best and you can even pause the video if you need a little extra time to answer. Question 15. The heavy rain helped to blank the region's severe water shortage, bringing relief to local farmers. Is it exacerbate, alleviate, trigger, or withhold? Alleviate. To alleviate means to make a problem or pain less severe. The heavy rain helped to alleviate the region's severe water shortage, bringing relief to local farmers. Question 16. Joshua's blank work ethic earned him 3 promotions in less than a year. Is it indifferent, assiduous, volatile, or transient? Assiduous. An assiduous person shows great care, attention, and effort in their work. Joshua's assiduous work ethic earned him 3 promotions in less than a year. Question 17. The lawyer argued that the evidence was completely blank to the case and should be ignored. Is it germane, extraneous, pivotal, or implicit? Extraneous. If something's extraneous, that means it's irrelevant or unrelated to the subject being dealt with. The lawyer argued that the evidence was completely extraneous to the case and should be ignored. Question 18. Rather than making a sudden change, the company implemented a blank shift over a 5-year period. Is it nuanced, abrupt, drastic, or erratic? Nuanced. A nuance shift or difference is characterized by subtle, clever, or complex expressions rather than obvious ones. Rather than making a sudden change, the company implemented a nuance shift over a 5-year period. Question 19. The professor's explanation was so full of complex jargon that it served only to blank the simple concept. Is it elucidate, obfuscate, advocate, or modify? Obfuscate. To obfuscate means to render obscure, unclear, or unintelligible. The professor's explanation was so full of complex jargon that it only served to obfuscate the simple concept. And finally, last question, number 20. Sarah is a blank reader. She finishes at least 3 books every single week. Is it voracious, sporadic, redundant, or lethargic? Voracious. A voracious reader or eater has an immense, unstoppable appetite for an activity. Sarah is a voracious reader. She finishes at least 3 books every single week. Congratulations! You finished the quiz! Did you get all 20 questions right and prove your C2 level status? If so, then you should be proud you're in the top 5% of English learners worldwide. Either way, let me know your final score in the comments below. I'm really curious to know how you did. And if you found some of these final words difficult, don't worry, that's completely normal. To make quick progress in mastering C1 and C2 level vocabulary, make sure to download the Airlearn app today using the link in the description. If you enjoyed this challenge, then please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.